Welcome to the interlude.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Joe Tree, and today I'm here with my special guests. Oh yeah, the lads. We got Tess and Liv. You know, they're starting out their own YouTube channel right now, and this is a collab. This is the thrifting challenge. And yeah, we're here at Handy Hands Thrift Market. Many hands.
Many hands.
Many hands.
10 minutes.
10 minutes
To find the ugliest thing for each other.
So I'm finding for Jordy,
I'm finding for Olivia.
And I'm finding for Tess.
and we've never been here.
Nope.
So it's gonna be an adventure.
Do they even have clothes? We'll find out.
And is it even ugly?
If not, we'll...
What else? It's all
Yeah,
good.
done.
Let's get it, baby.
All right.
Timer starts now. Go. 10 minutes is not good for me. Oh, want to get her a shirt? Do I get her some pants, some ugly pants? I don't know.
I need to find the ugliest thing for Tessa. I don't even know what size she is. If I was Tessa, what would I hate more? Probably some pattern. Hey, that looks like something a grandma would wear. 10 minutes? How am I supposed to do this in 10 minutes? Oh my god, there's dresses.
Alright guys, I think I have found a winner. I have found a winner. I think I am gonna beat the clock.
I mean, I don't know if it's ugly, but you gotta be kidding me. Do you mind if it's the biggest size?
Whatever is the ugliest, man.
I'm stressing. Wow. 2 minutes? Are you serious?
Give me her size and dresses, but wow, is that something? That's fabulous. I'm gonna stick with getting her a shirt. Oh wow. I think I might have just found something. I mean, how in the world are you gonna come back from that? Tessa, I think you've met your match. I would love to see her try to make an outfit out of this. Oh, you can't see, she can't see. It gives me like 5th grader vibes, you know, like what you used to wear like out on the playground, but it's kind of like almost a dress. Ready to face your horror? I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Bring it on, bitch.
I found what I'm taking out for Jordy, so I got 5 minutes to spare, so I think I actually did pretty good. Head to the checkout. Jordy looks like he's struggling to find something. We only got 5 minutes left. The stress is on.
I'm stressing, really. Yo, chill out.
We're ready to buy.
Bag secured. Here's the unfortunate soul.
So I made it out. First one done. Still had 5 minutes to spare, so feeling pretty proud of myself. I was able to pick up this gem for Jordy here.
They're outside already.
And he is still there checking out.
Wild Jordy in checkout. This better be the ugliest outfit that we have ever seen. Otherwise,
Period.
I'm gonna be real disappointed in this man.
Let's go.
How do you feel being the last one? Be honest.
I feel good, you know what I mean? Y'all were quick. Y'all were quick. Yo, what is good, everybody? So, we finished the thrifting part of the vid, and now we're gonna react to the pieces that we got each other.
I was pretty mean.
Olivia has this thing where she likes to be mean to everyone, so you know. I think
Yeah.
I was pretty mean to Jordy too, though, so
You
we'll
were-
see.
I think
Yeah.
I was maybe a little too nice. I don't know, maybe.
That just shows the very normal side.
Jordy's
The
just a
meanest-
nice
the
human
meanest
being.
one.
I'm the bitch.
It depends on the day.
Okay.
This is what I got Tessa.
Give me my present. Hey, I can sell that.
Just wait
That
till
is
you
ugly.
Why does this remind me of something my mom would
It reminds me of what a
Look at
5th
that.
grade horse girl would wear. It's got some sparkles.
All the bling on there. It's actually almost like a see-through sheer material. I'm gonna make it work, guys. I'm gonna make it work. Are we allowed to cut?
Ooh.
I feel this one's
Oh
my
boy.
gift for Olivia.
Overdramatic.
Christmas, please.
You know what? Oh.
Like something Olivia would actually
I may or may not be already obsessed with Paris. So like,
She has
right there. Like, look at the print on that bit. We got a Paris with the Eiffel Tower. Yeah,
Right.
okay.
Time for my gift to Jordy.
You should have
I
done
failed. I failed, y'all. I failed.
Baby, to you. I put a lot of time and effort in.
Oh god, that's so ugly. This is out of my range. Oh no, this is not good. If y'all know me, this is not my style. Like, am I going to war?
You want to go to war, Balaki?
I thought I was too nice, but
Okay, but honestly,
I
okay.
knew it.
All
I
right,
knew it.
of everyone's piece, what is the ugliest?
It's Tessa's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that one.
'cause-
No idea how to style that, guys.
Bro.
But you know what? I believe in myself, and I can make anything work.
Anything can work.
The more you know.
This is the part where we're gonna... So now, we're gonna style the outfit. Now Olivia wants to change the rules, I guess.
Dad, don't even act like you don't have it the easiest right now. You gotta
A flower crown and a tiger, and then your Carol Baskin. This reminds me of elementary school.
All right.
It feels like I'm trying to be that goth girl that like have like feather in her hair. Look at it sparkle.
really bring something out of me that, you know, I haven't felt
How old
ever.
do you feel?
Yep.
Clearly, you're
Got
a
it.
slut. We all been knew that.
This is the shirt, you know, it's really large, I guess. I'm gonna go fight a kid. That's what it looks like I'm about to do, right?
That
I
could
get
be
a
a dress.
I guess. We got the cargo pants. Yeah, adventure. Platform boots. The chain right here. L Bean. We got the ugly shirt. Cat, you know what I mean? Sometimes
Flower, you know, made it a little bit more modern, cut it up a bit, paired it with some light wash jeans, showcases the flower power spirit. All we had to work with, this was the only usable part of the shirt.
Oh!
So I turned it around. So this is actually the front. I cropped it and then I did a little hair tie moment and I cut the sleeves so they weren't so awkwardly length. And I have like a jacket that I could put over it so it'd be like an all like black vibe. Yeah, I think Tessa really pulled it together.
And Olivia turned out
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
but you know,
Yeah.
she
Hey,
had the
I
most
didn't
to
know-
work with.
Yeah.
I'm
Give it a
impressed
hands
by
up.
Jordy. He pulled out all
Yeah,
those accessories.
like,
He didn't even have to cut the shirt or anything.
So that was the end of the thrifting challenge, and this was with Tess and Liv. The lads, they got their own YouTube channel. I'll leave the link down below so you can subscribe. Had a fun time, did y'all?
Yeah, absolutely.
I was genuinely impressed with how we were able to pull it
Yeah,
together
we
in the
all
end.
showed off all of
We
our
pulled
skills.
out
Let us know in the comment section which one had the best outfit.
Who had the best transformation from start to finish?
And if you want to see us roast each other's old outfits, it's gonna be on their channel, Tess and Liv. Like I said, it'll be in the link down below. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all later. Peace.
Lots more ugly outfits coming.
Let's go.